Hi folks, this is Ashish here, and today through my channel Active Ash, we will discuss about a product which has immense health benefits for both men and women. People across all ages about 12 years can take this. I personally have been consuming this product and this has drastically improved my health. My vitality has improved, stress levels have gone down, my energy levels have gone up, my sleep cycle has improved, also my muscle mass has increased. The product that we are going to talk and discuss about is Ashwagandha from Amway's herbal range. Ashwagandha increases both mental and physical strength. It is the most well-rounded supplement anyone can take. So please watch this video till the end and do subscribe to my channel Active Ash. Now I will talk about benefits of Ashwagandha for men and women. We will start with women first. So the first point is Ashwagandha is a stress buster. When you are under stress, the body generates cortisol, the stress hormone. Higher amount of cortisol can cause muscle loss and weakness. Ashwagandha minimizes the secretion of cortisol, thereby helping you stay stress-free. It can also delay the onset of aging. This should explain why it's called a magical herb for women. Next point is, it prevents menopause related issues. During menopause, your body experiences hormonal imbalance which may cause anxiety, depression, sleeping trouble, etc. Ashwagandha is found to be the best way to deal with these issues. Next is, Ashwagandha delays the onset of memory loss. It prevents the onset of brain cell degeneration, a process that leads to memory loss. Next is, it helps reduce hair problems. Stress is a common reason for hair loss. By reducing the stress level, Ashwagandha will help you minimize hair loss. Next is, Ashwagandha roots have antibacterial properties. So if you are suffering from any vaginal infection, it may help you. Next point is, Ashwagandha reduces sugar cravings and helps in weight loss. So Ashwagandha can regulate blood sugar levels, thereby reducing sugar cravings. Now I will talk about benefits of Ashwagandha for men. Point number 1, it helps in enhancing your sexual potency. Here is another reason why Ashwagandha is called a magical herb. It decreases your mental stress, improves your mood, and increases the blood flow, thereby acting as a sexual stimulant. Next point, Ashwagandha has anti-cancer effects. Because of its antioxidant nature, Ashwagandha prevents the development of cancer. Next point, Ashwagandha improves fertility and reproductive health. One study for male infertility showed men taking Ashwagandha daily increased their sperm count and sperm quality. Next point is, Ashwagandha lowers your cortisol. One study showed a 33% decrease in cortisol hormone in men who regularly took Ashwagandha for 8 weeks. Last point, Ashwagandha increases muscle mass and strength. Daily intake of 500 mg of Ashwagandha increases muscle mass and strength in 8 weeks' time. The quality of your Ashwagandha supplement is what will make the biggest difference. So what I have in front of me is Neutralite Ashwagandha from Amway's herbal range. Neutralite is the #1 dietary supplement company in the world. Now I will unseal this bottle. It's packed one. This bottle contains total 60 tablets. Other market products process the whole Ashwagandha plant, thereby increasing the quantity and decreasing the efficacy, whereas Neutralite considers only the root. Each tablet contains 2.5% assured level of withanolides. It's an active ingredient present in Ashwagandha root. The recommended usage is 500 mg, which is 2 tablets per day, ideally half an hour before sleep time with warm water. Ashwagandha is also known as Indian ginseng. If you're looking for something more powerful and effective than ashwagandha, then Neutralite Ginseng Cherry Plus is the right product for you. This product has Siberian ginseng, ginkgo biloba, acerola, and citrus bioflavonoid concentrates. For ages, the root of the ginseng plant has been revered for its rejuvenating powers that are said to enhance vitality and sex drive in both men and women. Siberian ginseng helps to stimulate sexual function in men with erectile dysfunction, boosts the immune system, prevent colds, and increase appetite. Ginkgo biloba helps improve brain function, reduce anxiety, treats depression, reduce inflammation, and improves sleep quality. The unique combination of Siberian ginseng with ginkgo biloba improves sexual drive of even menopausal women. Acerola cherry is very powerful antioxidant and contains more vitamin C than oranges and amla. Citrus bioflavonoids, on the other hand, have been used to improve blood flow and ease swelling in the body. Ginseng Cherry Plus is a safe, natural way to support the edge when life gets relentless. This bottle contains 100 tablets, and 2 tablets can be taken with food or 30 minutes before bedtime for maximum benefits. However, due to its high potency, children under 12 years of age, pregnant women, or anyone with a medical condition like diabetes or hypertension should consult a doctor before using this product. If you want to know more about it and how it may help you or which is the right one for you, please WhatsApp me on my number mentioned in the description box. Thanks for watching and bye for now.